Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best magic sets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the National Geographic Magic Set. The almighty National Geographic Magic Set consists of cups, balls, dice, colors, vanishing coins, mysterious boxes, magic wands, and many more. All the elements are made using top-quality materials and carefully packed in a nice, convenient packaging box. By following the included instructions, your kids will learn incredible magic illusions and tricks in absolutely no time. There are even step-by-step video instructions available to make the entire procedure as convenient as possible. Plus, they are performed by a professional magician as well. The magic set is most suitable for kids aged 8 and up. If you aren't satisfied with this original purchase, you can even get in contact with their customer support for full reimbursement. This high-quality magic set is the best overall on our list because of its convenience and ease of use for kids of all ages. Moving on at number 4, we have the 3 Bees in Me Magic Set. If your child is new to the world of magic, the 3 Bees in Me Magic Set might be the perfect gift for them. It features all the classic tricks that can easily be understood and performed, and it's suitable for kids ages 6 to 11. This magic set is a light-hearted way to keep your little one away from the screen. Nothing compares to the joy of seeing your child smile when they pull off their first trick. The tricks in this magic set can keep your child entertained while also teaching them multiple skills that they'll use daily. The art of playing with a cup and ball, for example, can enhance their fine motor skills, while coin tricks can help improve focus. At number 3, we have the Marvins Magic Set. Gifting your kids Marvin's Magic Set can let them perform advanced magic tricks with just entry-level practice. More than 200 magic tricks are included in this set with a smooth learning curve for children ages 6 and older, and there's even a dedicated app for this magic set that provides step-by-step tutorials for each trick. With the help of its included wand, your child can perform their own show for friends and family with this magic set. Besides entertainment, this set can help children build self-esteem and boost their social skills. Colorful items like cups and balls, magic cards, sponge rabbits, and more make this magic set a great present for special occasions, and it can improve your child's critical thinking and problem-solving abilities, paving their way to becoming skillful adults. At number 2, we have the Melissa and Doug Magic Set. The Melissa and Doug Magic Set is unique due to its colorful wood-based items that can truly capture your kids' imaginations. It's comprised of 10 magic tricks, including old-school coin vanishing and secret silk stunts, and children 8 years and older can spend quality time mastering the art of magic while simultaneously strengthening their motor skills. This magic set's aesthetically pleasing 2-in-1 box offers quick item storage and can even help your child perform their show. Durable plywood material ensures that the accessories can stand up to rough use, and the included instruction manual teaches every trick step by step so your child can quickly grasp each concept. With just a little practice, your little magician will be ready to shine with this magic set. And finally at number 1, we have the MasterMagic Magic Set. The MasterMagic Magic Set can help if you're looking to pick up an extensive collection of tricks for the aspiring magician in your life. It contains more than 350 exciting tricks for children to practice and showcase to family and friends, and the props included in this magic set are tailored for new learners. Showing your kids this magic set's demo videos can help them become familiar with how to perform its tricks, and its website can even help them learn illusions that aren't included in the box. Practicing with things like color vision cubes, exploding dice, rainbow chips, and more can help them hone multiple skills, so add this magic set to your cart, or pull it out of your hat, and prepare to be amazed. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.